This evening we're in the centre of Baliwag in Bulacan region. This is the centre of town. Obviously historical monuments here, and behind a very old church cathedral. And we're here, rather interesting. The local students have to get in. What I spotted here earlier is very unusual, but I realised that they're library books, library without walls, selling second-hand books. Very encouraging in the world of computers and cell phones. But here we're coming to enjoy or experience the evening market here in Bulacan. And this particular town is called Baliwag. No, Baliwag. Got the wrong country. See, no. Very difficult. Plaza in the middle here. Young airline hostesses training here in the city. Now this is the night market here in Baliwag, where you can just about buy anything. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks pretty interesting. I think they fry them. They look yummy too. Very busy town centre. 6 o'clock. Time to rock.